Hi, lovely people. It's Kia here from Current Bookkeeping Specialist. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today, this video is for accountants, so small accountants, big accountants. If you're a brand new accountant and you're in a position where you're struggling to increase your capacity, especially if you're working by yourself. It's really hard. You've got a limited amount of time in the day, but you do want to grow the business. You do want to have a bit more free time, maybe for yourself and your family. Then our outsourced bookkeeping service is meant and built and made to help you. So what does outsourced bookkeeping look like with KBS? Essentially, it works for you and your clients, regardless if your clients are on a cloud accounting software or not. We still have a lot of clients in the world who are still fixed on this paper-based system or Excel spreadsheets, which are fine. I love an Excel spreadsheet, but I'm trying to move as many people onto a cloud-based system as much as possible, because it's just so much more easier. It's so much more streamlined, and we love it, and it's great for remote working. So we are happy and competent and comfortable working with all the major cloud accounting softwares. We will make sure that the bank statements and transactions are uploaded onto that software accurately. So whether it's done through a bank feed automatically, that's great. Or if they are still providing like Excels or even hard copy bank statements, then we will also upload those for you as well. We will upload, check, and receive any receipts or sales invoices, so expense transactions or sales invoices as well. We will generate invoices or expenses or bills as needed for any receipts that aren't there, or where receipts not possible, we can do that. We'll do all the matching, so the general bookkeeping, so match transactions to the bank lines, and we will do everything up to and including the bank reconciliation. So you've got tidy, beautiful month by month bank reconciliations all done for you. We will also do the chasing, which is probably the most annoying and time-consuming task for any accountant. So many accountants I speak to, I think that's probably the bit that they hate the most, is constantly having to chase up and chase up. It's an admin task that just takes up so much of your time. So we will do that for you. Now, we can do it either as a white labeled service, so completely anonymous. Either your clients don't need to know we exist at all, or you can let them know that we are working for you. We're working as part of your company, and you might want to set us up an email address or something like that to be able to communicate with your clients. Or we work as a subcontractor where they're fully aware of who we are and what we do. But again, we do not advertise our services to your clients separately from your own services. So just to make that absolutely clear, you have nothing to worry about there. So with that, we're super flexible in terms of timeframes, super flexible, and ways of communicating with you and your clients directly. We are super flexible there, and also very affordable. So go and ask the question, get in touch with me. You can check out the website. I'll leave some links in the description box as to how to get in touch with me directly, or you can check out the website. Cool. Ask for the prices, ask a bit more about the service. So if you're ready to start growing your business, you want to look into outsourcing as a way to save yourself some money, save yourself tons of time, but still get a really good professional service done, then definitely do get in touch. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Bye.